Ishani Perera. I was able to be the subject prize winner for Advanced Management Accounting in December 2020. If I'm talking about my preparation for the exam, I watched all the videos done by Hashan sir and I attempted questions in the study pack. Then I did further questions given by Hashan sir by myself. After that, I watched the videos to check my answers and to see how Hashan sir has approached those questions. Further, I attempted MCQs uploaded by Hashan sir, and if I had done any mistakes, I re-attempted them. Likewise, while studying and practicing questions, I memorized the theoretical knowledge what I studied previously. Doing past papers is very much important to get through the exam. I also did 5 past papers by myself within exactly 3 hours. It helped me to improve my speed in answering. At the same time, I felt that I am in a real examination. So, practicing past papers is very much essential because it's like a pre-examination before our final examination. So, it is necessary to take that experience. After doing past papers by myself, I watched the past paper discussion done by Hashan sir. From those discussions, I learned how to approach a question, what is the order that I should follow, and what are the areas I should further improve myself. Likewise, I watched all past paper discussions done by Hashan sir. Actually, Advanced Management Accounting is a logic-based subject and most of the lessons are interrelated. So, in my perception, we should go through each and every lesson, then we can answer easily at the examination. Hashan sir also taught us to see the linkage between these lessons and some theoretical aspects. The way he explained helped me to write a complete answer which can obtain full marks. Actually, getting a prize in chartered accountancy is not much easy task. The key is hard work, determination and dedication. Not only that, Hashan sir and onlineaccounting.lk did a great job throughout the program. They covered the entire syllabus and did further questions for some critical areas in the subject. Also, there were past paper discussions for many past papers, and from those past paper discussions I learned many things, and there were live sessions also to discuss some important factors and to sort out clarifications and to give exam techniques as well. So likewise, there was a continuous support and guidance throughout the program, even till the last moment. Actually, onlineaccounting.lk offered a complete package. Actually, not only a package, if I had some clarifications regarding the subject matter, I asked Hashan sir and he personally guided me how to think in such situations. So I must grateful to Hashan sir and onlineaccounting.lk because without them I would not achieve this milestone. So total credit should go to Hashan sir and onlineaccounting.lk. Thank you.